Good morning, everybody. Today we'll discuss transformations, trigonometric transformations, the last chapter, last subunit in this whole trigonometry chapter. Trigonometric transformations. Trigonometric transformations. Trigonometric transformations. First we'll discuss the formula, then we will go for the exercise. And compulsory 7 marker from this topic. Transformations, trigonometric transformations. Compulsorily you will get 7 marker. Up to transformations means compound angles, submultiples and ratios. You will get 2 marks, 1 4 mark. And transformations definitely 7 mark. So trigonometry totally carries you 1 7, 1 4, 2 2s. Now coming to this trigonometric transformation formula, we already discussed sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b plus sin of a minus b equal to 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. Sin of a minus a plus b minus sin of a minus b equal to 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. We already discussed all these formulas. Sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos a sin b, cos a sin b cancelled. Left out is 2 sin a cos b. Same applicable here also. The same cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b equal to 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. All these we already discussed. Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. Minus 2 sin a sin b. This we discussed. Now, in place of a plus b, if I take c, and in place of a minus b, if I take d, that becomes transformation formula automatically. Sin c plus sin d. In place of a plus b, I am taking c, and in place of a minus b, I am taking d. Means sin c plus sin d equal to 2 sin a. 2 sin a. That is sin of, what is 2 sin a here? Here this is a means a plus b by 2, because b2 cancel becomes a, means c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Same sin c minus sin d. In place of a plus b, keep c, and in place of a minus b, keep d. Automatically you will get transformation formula. So 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Similarly, cos c plus cos d, cos c plus cos d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2. Next, cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into c minus d by 2. Sin c minus d by 2. Very important transformations. Pakka 7 marker. And these formula are very important for your second year also. Transformation formula are very important even for your second year. Huh? Now we will discuss some 7 markers based on these 4 formulae or 8 formulae, just these 8 formulae. There will be 10 7 markers, 10 to 15 7 marker questions. If you practice them, you will definitely get one. So first one of these is, if A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, if A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, then find the value of sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. Sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. Sin 2C. Value of sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. How to find? So take any two, these two or those two. Now apply sin C plus sin D formula. Apply sin C plus sin D formula. What happens is, this is sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2 means C here is 2A plus D here is 2B by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, that is 2A minus 2B by 2 plus sin 2C as this, plus sin 2C as this, sin 2C as this. Now observe this is, if I take 2 common and cancel, it becomes 2 sin of A plus B, 2 sin of A plus B into cos of A minus B plus sin 2C plus sin 2C plus sin 2C. Now in place of A plus B, I can write 180 minus C. In place of A plus B, can I write 180 minus C or not? So this becomes 2 sin of 180 minus C. In place of A plus B, I can write 180 minus C. 2 sin of 180 minus C into cos of A minus C equal to plus sin 2C, I can write as 2 sin theta cos theta formula. 2 sin C cos. Sin 2C I am writing it as 2 sin C cos C. Here I am using, again repeating, sin C plus sin D. This is C, this is D. What is the formula for sin C plus sin D? 2 sin C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. C here is 2A, D is 2B. So C minus D by 2 plus sin 2C as is. Now by taking 2 common and cancelling, it becomes 2 sin of A plus B into cos of A minus B plus sin 2C. Now becomes 2 sin 180 minus C into cos A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C sin 2 theta. Now this is sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. Sin second quadrant sin positive only. Sin C into cos of A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C as 2 sin C cos. Now I can take 2 sin C common. If I take 2 sin C common, 2 sin C common, what is left out? Cos of A minus B plus cos C. Cos of A minus B plus cos C plus cos C. Now this again in place of C I can write 180 minus of A plus B. 180 minus of A plus B. What happens? In place of C I can write as 180 minus of A plus B in this bracket, not outside. So this becomes 2 sin C as it is, and inside the bracket cos A minus B minus cos A plus B minus cos A plus B, because cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Second quadrant cos negative, so becomes minus cos A plus B. Now cos A minus B minus cos A plus B means fourth formula 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B means 2 sin C into 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B. So this is equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. 4 sin A sin B sin C is equal to our RHS. Is equal to RHS hence proved. RHS hence proved. Simple. So only way is all the concepts are using these four formulae only. Sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D. If you get the formulae and application, you will get 7 marks. The formulae and their application gives you 7 marks. Simple, very simply you should apply all the formulae, that's it. You will get 7 marks. So, cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c equal to how much? So same concept, cos c plus cos d becomes 2 cos c plus d by 2 means 2a plus 2b by 2. So I will take 2 cancel and cancel directly if I write that is a plus b. Otherwise 2 common, 2a plus 2b by 2, so that I can cancel 2 common. So I want to write directly, that's what I want to do. Into cos c minus d by 2. 2a minus 2b by 2, 2 cancel becomes 2 cos of a minus b minus cos 2c as it is for 1 minute, for 1 step. So in the next step, depends on this, you need to expand cos 2 theta. Because for cos theta I gave you 4 formulae. Cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Depends on the value you will get here, you need to apply the formula there. Means if it is sin, then you need to apply 1 minus 2 sin square. If it is cos, then 2 cos square minus 1. So here, a plus b plus c equal to 180 he gave in the beginning itself. A plus b plus c equal to 180 in the both the sums, first part. First Roman, both the sums a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees. Now, in place of a plus b, I can write 180 minus c as usually. So cos of 180 minus c into cos of a minus b minus cos 2c. So here I will get cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So cos theta only I can write cos 2 theta in terms of cos theta. That is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this is minus 2 cos c, cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta into cos of a minus b as it is minus 2 cos square c, 2 cos square c minus of minus plus 1, minus of minus plus 1. Now I will write 1 in the beginning, and if I take 2 cos c common from these two, minus 2 cos c if I take common, what is left out? Minus 2 cos c if I am taking common, left out here is cos of a minus b, cos of a minus b, and minus is also taken common, 2 is also taken common, left out is cos c. Cos. This cos c again I can write 180 minus of a plus b. So 1 minus 2 cos c into cos a minus b. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus of cos of a plus b. Minus of cos of a plus b. Now cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. 2 sin a sin b. So 1 minus 2 cos c into, actually minus 2 sin a sin b, but minus is for this a plus b only. So it automatically becomes plus 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b. So this becomes 1 minus 2 sin a sin b cos c. 2 sin a sin b cos c. 2 sin a sin b cos c. Hence proved. Hence proved I is equal to RHS. RHS. Same sum. Same sum in the example if you find here plus one more sum is there. So if I change plus, I will make changes to this only, you can see that result also at a time. First you go through this, then I will do that also. Now if I make the changes, means if this is plus, what happens? This is plus, this is plus. So this is minus and this is plus. So this minus 1, if I write outside, minus 2 cos c common, then this becomes minus. Now minus of minus plus. Now this is cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. Now the final result becomes 1 minus, sorry, previously also 2 to the 4. I forgot to write 4, make that 4. So 1 minus 2 to the 4. Now this is cos a cos b cos c. Instead of sin a sin b cos c. Now the present result is cos a cos b cos c. So like this, even if the sum is changed, you can do using the same formula. Only formula differs, but the procedure is same. If it is minus, automatically this final formula changed, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. That is 2 cos a cos b. If it is minus, 2 sin a sin b. So depending on those transformation 4 formula, we can do any of these 10 sums. You will definitely get 7 marks very easily. Very easily. Hi, good morning everybody. Second first sum. Prove that sin A plus sin B minus sin C. Sin A plus sin B minus sin C equal to sin A plus sin B minus sin C equal to 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Cos C by 2. Prove this. Same concept. LHS. This is sin C plus sin D. So I will get sin C plus sin D formula. 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 means cos A minus D by 2 minus sin C as this. This sin C I can write as 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. I will do the next step. Now this is sin of A plus B means 180 minus C. A plus B means 180 minus C. A plus B means I can write 180 minus C, that is 90 minus C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2 I can write as 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Now sin 90 minus theta cos C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. So you can take 2 cos C by 2 common from both. 2 cos C by 2 common from both. So left out is cos of A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2. Minus sin C by 2. So this sin C by 2 I can again write cos of A plus B by 2. So this becomes 2 cos C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 cos of A minus B by 2 minus cos of A plus B by 2 cos of A plus B by 2 sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Now this is cos A plus B minus cos A minus B minus 2 sin A sin B. This is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B 2 sin A sin B becomes 2 cos C by 2 into 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2. 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 gives rise to 2 into 2 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Tenth rule. That also we need to prove. Sin A by 2 cos B by 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Tenth rule. రాసావా? If it is plus instead of minus, what happens? So this becomes plus. So this automatically plus. So this is plus. So minus 1 becomes plus 1 now. And this is minus 2 sin square c by 2. Now plus 1 in the beginning I am writing plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. This sin c by 2 automatically is 90 minus sin of 90 minus theta cos theta becomes cos a plus b by 2. Now cos a plus b by 2 minus cos a minus b by 2 is minus 2 sin a sin b. Now this is minus half minus plus 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2. Now it becomes 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. This result is very important because we use the same result for the many sums in the same exercise as well as in the other chapter called properties of triangles also I use this result. That's why I told you this sum as plus again. Actual textbook sum is minus, but with plus we will use this result in the next sum. So that's why I explained here itself. If it is plus, what happens? This is. So previously minus 1 plus 4. Now this is 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. If cos a plus cos b plus cos c is there. Next one. Cos square a plus cos square b minus cos square c equal to 1 minus 2 sin a sin b cos c. Cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c equal to 1 minus 2 sin a sin b cos c. How to prove? Simple method. Same. You know that there are two methods of doing this sum. One is cos square theta you can write as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Then converting into the previous sum, same sum, then you can do that. Other way is cos square a minus cos square b formula, you know, sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Using that you can do. I am going for cos square a minus cos square b minus cos square a is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So LHS cos square a as it is I am writing plus this is cos square b minus cos square a sin a plus b into sin a minus b means sin b plus c into sin c minus b sin c minus b. This is b as it is, this is a. So sin a plus b into sin a minus b sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Now this is cos square a as it is I will write for some time. Now this b plus c is 180 minus a. Instead of b plus c, I can write 180 minus a into sin of c minus b as it is I will write for some time. Now this is sin 180 minus theta is sin theta only. So this is sin a. So this is 1 minus sin square a I can write. Cos square a I can write 1 minus sin square a. And this is sin 180 minus theta sin theta. Sin a into sin of c minus b. Now taking minus sin a common from these two, what happens? Minus sin a common, what happens? Here one more sin a is there. Minus sin of c minus b is there. Sin of c minus b is there. Now a is 180 minus of b plus c. Automatically here I can write sin of b plus c. So this becomes 1 minus sin a into sin of b plus c. Sin of b plus c minus sin of c minus b. So this is like sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. So becomes 1 minus sin a into 2 cos a cos b sin b b only. So becomes 1 minus 2 sin a sin b cos b. 2 sin a sin b cos b. Sin a sin b cos b. Hence proved. That only we need to prove. So hence proved. Hence proved.